In this video, how to set up two-factor authentication on PayPal. I will show you step by step how to enable two-factor authentication on PayPal to improve account security. First, go to the PayPal website and log in using your email and password. After logging in, go to the top right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon that looks like a gear. Inside Settings, find the tab called Security. Click on the option Two-Step Verification. Now click Setup to start the configuration. Choose how you want to receive the verification code. You can choose to receive the code by SMS on your phone, or you can use an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. Enter your phone number or connect the Authenticator app. After that, you will receive a verification code. Enter the code in the required field to confirm. Once confirmed, two-factor authentication will be activated. Now, every time you log in, you will be asked for an extra security code.